The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Tuesday and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 6 verses 30 to 35. Jesus reminded the people that it was not Moses who fed their ancestors, but it was God the Father. And Jesus continued to say that I am the bread of life. One thing that many people always say, we owe only to ourselves because we are so hardworking for every achievements that we have. If they have good cars, good home, if they have the opportunity to go on a holiday, or whenever they are reaching their goals, they would say, I deserve it because I work hard for it. And some people would even say, why would you say thanks be to God when it was you who worked hard for it? Well, we have the strength, not because we really are truly strong, but because God has strengthened us. We have the wisdom, the intelligence to know what we are supposed to know, not because we truly are intelligent, but because God gave us the intelligence. Ultimately, we have to recognize that whatever we have, it may be a product of our human hard work and endeavors, but all of those only made possible because God in the first place gave us life, gave us the strength, gave us the skill, and gave us the courage to go on with our life. Ultimately, everything comes back to God's generosity and kindness. God bless.